Hello, this is Kelsey from the South High Career and College Center. I just wanted to provide an updated video for staff to know how to upload letters of recommendation into Xello this year since Xello has updated. You'll have to start on the staff intranet page. You're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Clever. You have to make sure you're logging in through Clever because we can't log into Xello directly using our credentials. It has to be through Clever. Once you click on this tab here, it should take you to a window that looks a little bit like this. If you don't have Xello favorited already, you'll most likely need to scroll down to the bottom to find it. You'll click on Xello and it should take you to a dashboard that looks a lot like this. In order to see the letters of rec or students who have asked you to complete letters of recommendation for them, you're going to click on Application Manager. And then from there, you might get a screen that looks a little bit like this with all of the transcripts and recommendations that are being requested from students. If not, you can go ahead and actually just click on Show Only My Requests, and that should bring those numbers down so that you can see just the ones that students are requesting of you. In this case, you'll click on that button that says one letter of recommendation or however many you have. And then from there, it should just show you again only your requests. From here, you're going to go ahead and click on the requirements where it says 0 out of 1. You'll click on that button there. And then from here, you might need to create your teacher profile if you have not done so already, or need to update a few things. Once you do that, you'll be able to click on these 3 buttons right here, and you'll be able to say complete form. This will pop up. You do not need to fill out in a lot of detail in these boxes because a majority of your information should be in that letter of recommendation or PDF that you are planning to upload. So you're welcome to just say see letter in these boxes if you would like. Once you've completed that information and uploaded your PDF, you'll go ahead and click complete on the side here. Then what will need to happen, right, is you'll actually need to come back to this box here and then click on these 3 dots and make sure you're clicking send form. The only way that the letter will get sent to the Common App or the colleges that the student has requested is if you go back and click these 3 dots and click send form. If the student is using Common App, you should only need to upload that letter 1 time. If the student is using individual applications or institutional applications, you may need to upload it a couple of times. So just a heads up on that, just making sure that you're keeping track or looking to make sure that your information says that it has been sent. If you do have questions or need help getting into this, please do not hesitate to connect with Katie or I. We are happy to help guide you through this process to make sure that letters of recommendation can be sent by the deadlines that students are requesting. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.